Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to download and install the Joyn app on your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Now if you want to download and install the Joyn application without Google Play Store, here's exactly what you can do. On my case, I'm going to go over to my browser because I don't have Google Play Store, so I'll use my browser. Now as you go to your browser, in the search box of your browser, this can definitely work for any browser, so try it on any browser and you're going to see the result. So when I come out here, I'm just going to type in the application, which is Joyn app. Now I'm going to type in this, not to waste a lot of time. I already have in my suggestion, so I'm going to go out here and click on the option that says Joyn app download, and here's the application we're looking for. And here's the application we're looking for. Here's over here. You can come over here and just click on it once, and then it's going to bring you to the web version of Google Play Store. And this is a particular application. Now, as you can see on my Android TV, me personally, I cannot install this application. Why? Because the application is not available in my country. That's the only reason I cannot install it. It's not currently available where I am residing. Now, there is a way to bypass this, but I don't like it is by using a VPN. So if it's not available in your country, you want to use a VPN, that can be an option. But even if you use a VPN, you still need to use a VPN to go through the application or to access the application. So it's still an option. But if this doesn't work for you for one reason or another option where you can use to install the application is by coming over to up to down or using a third-party website. Here are some options. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third option they can use to install this application. But for me, I trust this first one. Up to down is a trusted third-party website where you can install applications. And here's it over here. You can go over here and use this website to install this particular application. But the best option is by installing application from the web version of Google Play. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe.